Hello, you're welcome back. We are still on Jamb Mathematics and we are dealing with coordinate geometry. We have another two questions in part two. First one, a triangle has vertices this, and then we have to find the midpoint of PQ and QR. And also number two, we have to find the value of P if the line which passes through this and this is parallel to the line 2y plus 8x minus 17 equal to 0. So we start from number one, solution. First of all, we have to draw the triangle. P, the point is -1 and 6. Q, with points -3, -4. And then R, 1, -4. So we have to find the midpoint of PQ and PR. Okay. PQ midpoint of PQ. We know that midpoint of a line, we know the formula, x equal to x1 plus x2 all over 2, and y equal to y1 plus y2 all over 2. So following that, we go back and check, and this will give us, for P now, PQ. So here our x1 is -1 plus x2 -3 all over 2. Then the other one to be equal to y1 6 plus -4 all over 2. So continuing, bring them up. This one will give us -3 -1 -3 all over 2, comma, why this one will be 6 -4 all over 2, which means that we have x equal to -4 over 2, y should be equal to 2 over 2. And that means we are going to have x equal to divide -2, comma, y equal to 1. So in continuation, we have x, y leading us to -2, 1. And that is the midpoint of PQ. So we are now going over to midpoint of QR. So let's come back here. Our QR is this and this. Midpoint of QR. So midpoint of QR, again, we have x should equal to x1, x2 over 2, y equal to y1, y2 over 2. So moving on, we have this will give us, from here, our QR now, our x1 should be -3, our x2 should be 1 all over 2, while our y should be, y1 is -4, while our y2 is also -4. all over 2. And then moving on, we have this one will give us minus 2 over 2, comma, y is equal to minus 8 over 2. So this is minus 1, comma, y equal to minus 4. So moving on, we have means that our x, comma, y, with the midpoint of QR, will give us minus 1, comma, minus 4. And that's the end of question number 1. X, y equal to minus 1, comma, minus 4. So we move on to question number 2. And question number 2, we have to find the equation of we have to find the value of b if the line which passes through this and this is parallel to. So the line which passes, equation of the line which passes through this and this. The equation of the line, equation of the line which passes through, we are now solving number 2, which passes through bracket minus 1 comma p, sorry, comma minus p and minus 2p comma 2 should be equal to y minus y1 x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. Now, and that means we are now going to have, that will lead us to y minus, what is our y1? Our y1 here is minus e. Yes, minus e all over x minus our x1 is minus 1, which is equal to y2 to be 2 minus y1 minus bracket minus p all over x2 minus 2p minus 2p, then minus bracket minus 1. Okay, that is picking the values. And then to simplify, come over here. Over here to have y plus p all over x plus 1 equal to 2 plus p all over minus 2p plus 1. And then this should be the same thing as y plus p equal to 2 plus p all over minus 2p plus 1 brackets x plus 1. And that means that our m1, therefore, m1 is equal to 2 plus p all over minus 2p plus 1. And we know that if two lines are parallel, then the gradients are equal. So when two lines are parallel, Then M1 equal to M2. So that means, in that case, this will be equal to the gradient of the second line. So we have gotten our M1. So to get M2 from the equation here, we have 2y plus 8x minus 17 equal to 0. That is the second line. So we have to find the gradient of this. And that means we have 2y is equal to minus 8x plus 17. Giving us y, dividing everything by 2 to make y the subject of the formula so that we'll find the gradient. Will now give us minus 8 over 2x plus 17 over 2. And that will give us y equal to minus 4x plus 17 over 2. So it means that our M2 is minus 4. So coming back, therefore, M2 is equal to minus 4. And then we say that the two gradients must be equal. Since M1 equal to M2, therefore, we bring in that one, 2 plus p all over minus 2p plus 1 is equal to minus 4. And then if you cross multiply, that means that 2 plus p is equal to minus 4 brackets minus 2p plus 1. And then to simplify further, we have 2 plus p is equal to 8p minus 4. And then in that case, we have 2 plus 4 equal to 8p minus p. Again, continue. As we have collected like terms now, 6 is equal to 7p. Therefore, p is equal to 6 over 7. Use 7 to divide both sides. Therefore, the value of p is equal to 6 over 7. And then that brings us to the end of question number 2, and then the end of this section. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. Let me see it. Maybe I'll make another video for it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next